Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini API in your project. First, you'll need to understand what the Gemini API can do for you, from generating text to understanding images. Then, we'll walk through setting up your development environment, ensuring you have the necessary tools. Finally, I'll show you how to securely obtain your API key from the Google Cloud Console, which is essential for authentication. Now that you have your API key, let's integrate it. You'll install the official Gemini client library, available for several popular programming languages. Next, initialize the API client using your unique API key, which authenticates your requests. Finally, we'll make a simple API call to generate text, demonstrating the basic request and response structure. This will be your foundation for more complex interactions. Beyond basic text generation, the Gemini API offers powerful advanced features. You can explore its multimodal capabilities, allowing you to combine text and image inputs for richer interactions. It's also crucial to implement safety settings to filter out any inappropriate or harmful content, ensuring responsible AI use. Lastly, we'll discuss optimizing your API calls for better efficiency and to manage your costs effectively. Even with the best setup, you might encounter issues. We'll cover how to debug common API errors by consulting the official documentation and reviewing your project logs. You can also discover vibrant community forums where developers share solutions and offer support. For more resources and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description for the link and other great deals. Keep building amazing things.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.